Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Real niggas watch chillin' with an L.
Y'all, I am so excited. Okay, y'all, so I went to Best Buy today and I picked up my new camera. I just went ahead and got a new one because I didn't feel like waiting on the old one to get fixed. So yeah, y'all, I have this cute little set from Ross. It is a Juicy Couture set. I love it so much. I seen Alyssa get it over here on YouTube and I was like, dang, I really want it. So I went and found it at my Ross and I got it. But that's besides the point. Today we're gonna be doing a what's on my iPhone 14 Pro video. Now, people used to do these in like 2012, 2013, and I never really thought to do one myself. I know some people, you know, they like these kind of videos. I used to like them because I just wondered what kind of apps people were using and everything. So yeah, I decided to make one for y'all just so y'all can kind of get the inside scoop of my phone. It's really not nothing special. I don't know, I barely text anybody or talk to anybody, so I mean, I don't know, I rarely use it. So sometimes it's like I just have a phone for no reason. Y'all, I finally did my hair. Like, it's so cute. I just had it like this for the past couple days, but without further ado, let's get right into the video. I put my case back on. Y'all think I should do it with the case on or take the case off? I think I'm gonna take the case off so y'all can get the feel of it. Also, as far as the specs on my phone, this is the iPhone 14 Pro in space black, and it has 256 gigabytes of storage, which is kind of still not enough, but I do have to do my camera roll out some, so chill out on that. In the box, I know y'all probably don't care for this part, but I'm still gonna show y'all because I love Apple products, so I'm gonna let y'all see it. In the box, you know, you get the same standard Apple package. You get one sticker, you get a charger, and for some reason I never use my new chargers because I just keep my old ones and use them. I still have this charger brand new, my iPhone 13 Pro Max charger brand new, my iPad charger brand new. Only charger I really use straight out of the box is my MacBook charger because for my new Mac, it doesn't take the old charger like I had before. That's it as far as the specs. And getting into the phone, we're actually going to start from the lock screen. I'm currently listening to, I love this song so much, y'all. This is actually my father's favorite song, so yeah. To get rid of the music thing, it's just the Palm Angels thing is my background because I like the gray color and then the black, and I just kept it that way because why not? I'm gonna start a screen recording so y'all can see it with me. Okay, so basically we just have the home screen here, and then I have 7 missed calls. This is the home of the home screen. You know, I have my lovely picture, my calendar, no events, and then I have my calendar on top of that just so I can see the whole month. Moving over to my secondary screen, this is where like all of my main apps are. So moving over here, we just have the Notes app. On this screen, I'm just gonna go in order. You know, I have the regular reminders, clock app, app store, maps, health, all of that. Settings, I think is something I have to do with my Apple ID. I think I may have to renew my Apple Care for my Apple stuff, but I'll do that later. I've been putting it off for so long. And then I have the weather, Find My for all my devices. Moving into the utilities folder, I have voice memos in case I want to record a little something, and I think I have a few in here. Yeah, I do. Yeah, some of these are from class lectures because I wasn't listening, and I never went back and listened to it either. And then I also have the calculator app, and then in my finance folder I just have all of my money things, you know, things for jobs or my credit stuff. So I have Cash App, in which I don't really use. I just get notifications from it at this point. And I have Self, that's credit building. I have a link in my bio if y'all want to start on Self. It's basically a trade line to help build your credit. It took mine up about 65 points, and if you make the payments on time and stuff, then it helps you. Then I have Aspiration, that's my secondary bank. Capital One with my credit cards. Navy Federal because I'm an employee first, but I'm a member second. And Ashton Carter in case I want to apply for anything. Experian to check on my credit. And moving into my socials, I have all of my socials in here. I have the Instagram app, but it is just for my spam. So if I go on here, my spam is Tricks Ain't For Kids. I only let people in, I guess, if I'm feeling it. I don't know. But yeah, that's my spam. If y'all want to request it, y'all can. You know, I'll let people in, but it really just depends. I don't have my main anymore because reasons, but it'll be all right. So I have YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. If y'all haven't followed my TikTok already, please be sure to follow that as well, because I like TikTok and I'm getting back into TikTok actually. So yeah. And then, like I said, Instagram, Twitter. Oh, okay. We all know what Twitter is for. I also have Discord in case I want to join like group chats and, you know, just talk to my people. I have CapCut for editing when I don't feel like editing on my iPad. And I have YouTube Studio to keep up with all of my numbers. Y'all, we are doing so good right now. Thank you guys so much for 523 subscribers. And then I also have Canva because I'm still teaching myself how to use that. But I made this thumbnail off of there, as you can see. So yeah, I didn't end up using this one, but I made some of it on here. And that's going to be it for my socials. So the next thing I have that should be in there, it's going to be Funto. This is where I put all my text on my pictures. So let's see. If I restore this, yeah, this is basically how I put in all my text on my thumbnails or in my, well, not my videos, because I actually download the fonts into CapCut for my videos. So yeah. And then if we get out of here, we're going to go into Wi-Fi. And I have my Cox app so I can control what's on my Wi-Fi and what's not on my Wi-Fi and see what's going on with it, because Cox be tripping sometimes. And then I also have my Secure ID for work. This is so I can log in from home. And it's not going to show nothing, of course, because it's screen recording. But yeah, I also have Chipotle. I love Chipotle, y'all. Let me see how many points I got. I got 532 points. If anybody got more Chipotle points than me, hit me up. Share the secret. But moving out of that, I have the Target app. I'm not too familiar with how to use the Target app, to be honest, but I do like shopping at Target. They got some good stuff. I just have, yeah, I got this in my cart still. I could have sworn I removed it, but yeah, I have Target. Then I have Messenger. Well, there's no need to open that. And then moving on to the last and final screen, I have my AT&T app so I can pay my bill. I have Gmail, and then I have the Walmart app to do shopping on there whenever I go. Got the Chick-fil-A app, even though I really don't eat there no more. I don't know. I guess I didn't want to get rid of my points. Matter of fact, let me see how many points I have. 322. But yeah, I have the Chick-fil-A app, Airbrush to color correct my pictures. I have the Files app to download all of my fonts. And if y'all want me to show you that, I can show you that after I finish going through the apps. And then I have Dropbox for extra storage so I can delete all this mess out my phone. And then lastly, I have Zillow Rentals because some things. So that is basically it for what's on my iPhone. Like I said, I do have the 14 Pro in space black. I love this color so much. I really wanted the white one, but at the time they didn't have white in stock. Really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please let me know. If y'all want to see how I edit or make my thumbnails or anything, I do have a video on my channel already explaining how I make my thumbnails and what I use to make them, but it's not updated. I mean, nothing really changed. I still use the same app, but if y'all just want to see an updated version, I can give that to you. I do have some great videos coming y'all way, so please be sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.